Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sakshi, and if you're new to this channel, hello. If you're not, I just wanted to say a big thank you because I I personally believe that the first followers are really important for anyone. For anyone doing Instagram or like doing social media, the first people who follow them are really important. And I just want to say a big thank you if you're following me. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna talk about sensitivity. Okay, if you're a sensitive, bubbly person, like you have a really warm heart and you welcome people very gracefully and enthusiastically, I think you should really listen to this. So I have been a really sensitive person since my childhood, and I was born in a family, I was born in a household where everyone is really tough, they're hard people. They are go hard people, like David Goggins. Like, they have been in really hard situations in life and they are tough people. And I was like a black sheep. I was like the odd person out because everything really affects me. I'm a really sensitive person emotionally and physically, and for them it is really just like a flaw, right? So since my birth, I have also considered it a flaw for me being such a sensitive girl. And I think now as an adult, I have been really reflecting on how I am and how my heart is. I believe that sensitivity is like a gift. You can feel every single emotion. It is such a big blessing for you to be sensitive. I think for sensitive people, it's really easy to cast it out as a flaw or a mistake or a big problem in your life or in your personality. But I personally believe that sensitivity is the height of humanity. If you're a sensitive person, it is more likely for you to help out people because you understand them, you feel what they're feeling, and you know what it is like to be in their place. I think practicality is really important in our lives, but like, what big of a blessing it is to feel every little joy or every little sadness. I understand when it comes to the negative points in life, when you're really down and you feel everything. I think that is really painful. That is really painful. That is heartbreaking for someone like me because मेरे को छोटी चीज़ hurt कर सकती है. And it's not like कि मेरे को किसी random person की भी hurt करेगी. It would bother me, but for me सबसे ज़्यादा personal लोगों को ही करती है, because you know me and still you're doing it. In my family, people really don't understand sensitivity. Okay, उनको लगता है कि ये कितनी बड़ी गलती है, फिर you have such a weak heart. They say that sensitivity in our family is a weak heart, but I don't believe in this. I believe that sensitivity is such a big blessing to have. For a human to feel all the emotions very deeply is such a big thing. Not everyone has that. And I am a writer, so whenever I feel something, I majorly write. So my friend says that not everyone knows how to do that. Not everyone knows how to, write those thoughts down, and not everyone knows how to be articulate. Just like that, not everyone knows how to feel. People are so numb and so toxic these days. They just don't understand कि अगर something has happened to you, you have to feel it. I understand the survivor mindset. I understand that the flight or fight. I understand if you're going through something and it is really hard, you see numbness as a coping mechanism. This is not a personal attack. I'm just saying it is a problem. It is a problem not to feel everything, because if you're avoiding something, if you're not feeling something firsthand, you are letting it be a grave in your memory. You just You're just keeping it inside. You're just going to carry it throughout now. Do you understand how big of a problem that is? Like, something has happened to you, you're not feeling it, and then you're feeling it 2 months later, when you can't even deal with it properly because you have other things going on. जब तुम्हारे साथ कुछ होता है, I think feeling that in the moment, no matter कि वो anger है, no matter वो frustration है, irritation है, all the negative emotions जो बोलते हैं, जो भी है, it's not a problem. Feeling your emotions is not a problem. I want people to understand कि जब you are going through your emotions, it just means you are emotionally regulated. It does not mean that you are easily reactive or that you are weak. Controlling everything and keeping it inside of you is not a power. It is not a power simply. In my family, लोग कहते हैं कि women should stay silent and they should keep everything inside and they should not let their problems, feel important. As if the men's problems are considerably harder to deal with. It's not. I just want you to know that your emotions are important. No matter कि वो खुशी है या फिर दुख है. Both are important. Both are on the same spectrum of importance. And गुस्सा है, irritation है, frustration है. If you're taking it out, if you're processing it in any way, you are emotionally regulated and you are emotionally strong. Feeling your emotions is not a weakness. Excuse me, I know there are times when you feel embarrassed कि कुछ हो जाता है and you have said something out of anger or you have said something out of frustration कि you feel embarrassed. But feeling your emotions is nothing to be embarrassed about. Like, you are a human. It's a common thing. It's an important thing of being a human. And I think that people who do not feel their emotions, that is a weakness. You do not have the courage to feel what you're supposed to feel. I know कि एक चीज होती है self control. And there is this numbness to everything that you are not feeling and you are avoiding to feel it. That is a weakness. That is something that is to be, कि you should not, that is wrong. That is wrong. That is not weak. Everyone has their problems. Everyone's going through everything. But that is wrong. Feeling it, firsthand, feeling it in the moment is not wrong. It is a power. So I want you to respect your emotions. No matter वो कितने बुरे हैं, no matter वो कितने अच्छे हैं, तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि वो क्या है, respect your emotions. And feeling your emotions doesn't make you less worthy of what you have in your life. Or feeling your emotions doesn't make you less worthy of what you want. If your friends, okay, for example, if you are in a fight with your friends and you are expressing yourself completely and you're saying what you want to say, and then later your friends are like, we don't want to be with you because you are so angry or you are such a violent person. No, they are wrong, because you are feeling the full spectrum of your human being. That is not wrong. Them being angry at you for being yourself and feeling what you feel at the moment is wrong. So what you should do is leave them. Because if you can't be yourself, if you can't be the whole self with your friends, that is not friendship. That is trying to be someone, trying to portray something just to keep that friendship. And that is not important. To have those kind of friends is not important. You can cut them off. I just want to say that feeling your emotions is not wrong. Feeling your emotions is not a flaw. It's not a mistake in your system. It's your system to feel your emotions. जब किसी को गुस्सा आता है, they're supposed to be angry. जब किसी को खुशी होती है, they're supposed to be happy. Because if there's a numb person, they're not going to feel happiness, they're not going to feel angry. They're just going to stay in between and not experience life at all. Second, Do not feel ashamed of how you have felt in the past, or do not feel do not feel ashamed of feeling. So मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था कि I went through something. I went through a friendship breakup, and उस time पे I was really angry and I was really in the height of my emotions, and I said some things and I did some things. But later, like, of course I felt guilty, and I know that it was a mistake for letting my height of emotions hurt somebody else. That is the problem. That is the problem. You need to apologize for that. But I felt ashamed of having those emotions. I felt like having those emotions was a sign of my weakness, because how did I let someone else make me feel that way? If they are close to you, it is normal for you to be bothered by someone whom you care about, because they are in your personal life and they are people you care about, so they are going to bother you. Then there's no need to feel ashamed about what you feel when you're with someone that you care about, or letting that person affect your emotions or feelings. If you have done things in the height of your emotions and you realize they were mistakes, there's no need for feeling ashamed afterwards. Because how can you let yourself be in the same cycle? How can you let yourself be in the same cycle of shame just because of something that you have learned from, and something that you have rectified in the present? There's no need to feel ashamed. You are a human being. You are supposed to make mistakes. You're supposed to feel emotions. You do not need to feel ashamed for things that every human does, and that is common in everyone. You do not need to feel ashamed for that. And if you're a sensitive, bubbly girl like me, I love people. When I'm an ambivert, when I am in the mood of talking to people, when I'm in the mood of my extrovertness, I love people. I can go and talk to anyone on the street. I smile at strangers. I do all these things. But have boundaries. Not everyone deserves your bubbliness, because it is so lovely and rare. Everyone these days is focused on their past, on their traumas, on their hurt, and it is so easy to be focused on those things because they are a big part of your life, but they are not your whole life. The other parts of your life are joy, happiness, creating happiness, and a big part of it is your personality. And having a personality like me, it's very easy to be hurt by humans, because people think a lot of things, because I'm always out there. Like at my college, I'm also a really extroverted person, and I don't care about people, and I do shit. And people have a right to have opinions, but I'm going to tell you, do not let everyone have that access to your energy, because that energy is so rare. If you're a bubbly, sensitive girl or a boy, having that energy is so rare. Not everyone deserves to be in that energy, because people just don't value it. People understand, लोग सोचते हैं कि you're a naturally happy person and तुम्हारी life कितनी easy है. These are really common assumptions, because it is easy to assume these things instead of understanding how they are so happy. It takes a lot of energy to be out there, to have a good energy, to have a positive energy. Not everyone deserves the access to your energy. Have boundaries. Okay, first, it is not bad to have emotions. It is not bad to feel emotions. It is emotional regulation. Do not feel ashamed. Third, have boundaries, because we deserve to have our energies for ourselves, and we deserve to protect our energies. Your energy is important enough to be saved and protected. Keep it for yourself, because you are such a lovely person. I'm just hyping you for a moment. If you have seen this video till now, you are such a lovely person that not everyone deserves you, because you are rare. That energy that you carry is rare, and I want you to provide that energy to yourself first. Like, invest those compliments in yourself first. Smile at yourself in the mirror. Do all these things. Talk to yourself in a positive, hyping way, like you would want a stranger to. Do all those things. Be your friend first, instead of going out there and wanting to have friends. Also, stop being desperate. Like, stop being desperate. You are such a lovely person. You do not deserve to be desperate. It takes a lot of energy to be desperate and be out there and feel like, oh, mujhe ye chahiye, mujhe ye chahiye. You have all that already within yourself. Whatever you're seeking out there is already within you. And I want you to soak this in. Whatever you want in others is already in you. You just have to seek it out and bring it to life. You want inspiration? Ask yourself that. Ask yourself questions that you are seeking out in the world. Because not everyone has been through your life. You are the only one who understands your life completely. And when you ask yourself those questions, I bet that you'll get the best and the most meant for you answer. Love already in you, friendship already in you. Like, these things are already within you. And I'm just telling you this because if you feel like you are feeling a certain emotion because of lack of these things, like you're feeling loneliness because of friends or relationships, you can feel that loneliness. I gave my exam the other day, and there was a short story called Sexy by Jhumpa Lahiri, and it basically shows ki loneliness mein how people get into unhealthy relationships, and desire can be misleading and also exciting. I just want to tell you, just do not get into shit just because you're feeling lonely. I know there are phases of loneliness. I feel lonely sometimes. Like, now I have got into, like, पहले मेरे को हर दूसरे दिन lonely feel होता था. मेरे को हर चीज़ों में बस lack दिखता था. But now, of course, I feel lonely sometimes. But I just want to say, do not get into toxic shit just because you're feeling lonely. Please don't. You do not deserve that. Because when you are in the height of your negative emotions, when you're in the height of your loneliness, you tend to do shit that you normally wouldn't. Please don't get into that. When you're feeling lonely, understand yourself. Try to connect with yourself. Because loneliness kya hai? Loneliness is basically you feeling a certain emotion, you feeling neglected, abandoned and unseen and all that. It is because you are not pouring into yourself. It's because you are not pouring into yourself and you are not giving yourself all that कि जो दूसरे दे रहे हैं. तुम्हें लोनली बाजार में भी फील हो सकता है, इसलिए बोल रही हूँ. लोनलीनेस लोगों के आने से नहीं जाती है. लोनलीनेस तुम्हें, जब तुम खुद पे फोकस करते हो, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट फोकसिंग ऑन योरसेल्फ एंड यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू योरसेल्फ. लाइक, एक बार मुझे लोनली फील हो रहा था, आई वाज रियली क्यूरियस कि मुझे क्यों हो रहा है, एंड आई गॉट टू नो कि आई वाज फीलिंग लोनली because of lack of deep conversations. I can have that with myself through journaling, and that loneliness is gone. So I want you to be curious कि तुम्हें lonely feel क्यों हो रहा है, and you start pouring into yourself so that तुम्हें किसी की need ना feel हो, ताकि तुम्हें किसी के lack की वजह से तुम गलत decisions ना ले लो. Because we tend to make a lot of bad decisions just because we are feeling a certain way. I don't want you to do shit impulsively, या फिर just because तुम्हें चुल है, या फिर तुम्हें वो करना है बकचोदी. But I just want you to say, I just want you to know, do not get into wrong shit just because you're feeling a certain way. तुम्हें अगर कुछ ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि यार आई एम फीलिंग लोनली, क्या मैं यहाँ चली जाऊँ, प्लीज़ डोंट go. You will make a lot of wrong decisions, you will regret it later. Lonely feel हो रहा है, try to connect with your friends, try to connect with people that are genuinely happy for you and that are genuinely for you, that make you happy, that want your good. Please go connect with those people. Do not go connect with strangers if you're feeling lonely. It gets desperate and you feel lost when you're doing that. And जब तुम desperate होते हो ना, you tend to make such wrong decisions that are not for you. And यार sensitive होना is so rare. People these days, it's just easy for them to be numb and focus on the wrong things, while we are out here feeling everything to the depths of their spectrum. And that is courageous. If you are sensitive, you are courageous, you are rare, you are strong. And I think that was it for this video. I am proud of you for being a sensitive person, and you need to start being proud of yourself too, because it changes your life. Like, you start seeing yourself as this diamond that you are, and you start seeing कि यार सब मेरे जैसे नहीं है, and that is a good thing, because you are only you and there's only one of you, and I want you to be proud of that oneself. Because if you do not pour that stuff inside yourself, you will not feel it, and that thing will not be valued. If someone else does it, it won't be of any importance. So I want you to love yourself. And if you're new here, if you like this video, subscribe. And वैसे कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. Bye bye, love you.